In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on OneDrive. Whether you're spring cleaning your digital space or simply freeing up some storage, managing your cloud files efficiently is crucial. Let's dive in and walk you through this simple process. To begin, you've got to access your OneDrive account. So, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the Microsoft OneDrive website. This can be done by typing OneDrive directly into your search bar. Alternatively, you can use the direct link to Microsoft's cloud storage page. Once on the site, you'll notice the Sign In button perched at the top right corner. Clicking it will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account details, so make sure you have those handy. If you're on a shared computer, I'd recommend unchecking the Keep Me Signed In option for a little bit of extra security. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready for the next step. You'll now find yourself on the OneDrive homepage, a hub where all your stored files await. Here, direct your attention to the section labeled My Files. This is your main repository, where all your uploaded and saved files reside. Give that section a click, and you'll be transported to a view showcasing either thumbnails or a list of your files. The display might differ slightly depending on your personal settings, but you should be able to easily recognize your documents. As you browse through My Files, you might identify certain files you're ready to say goodbye to. When you've pinpointed a file you wish to delete, hover your cursor over it, and a small checkbox will materialize next to the file name. This feature is particularly handy if you need to select multiple files simultaneously. Simply check the box beside each file you intend to delete. Once your selections are made, look for the three-dot icon, also known as the More Options button. This icon should be adjacent to the file name or possibly on a toolbar above, depending on your interface. Clicking this three-dot icon will unveil a drop-down menu with several options. Among them, you'll see Delete. By clicking Delete, your chosen file or files will be relocated to the OneDrive recycle bin. It's important to note that this action isn't final or irreversible on the spot. OneDrive keeps items in the recycle bin for some time, thus providing a safeguard that lets you recover files should you have a change of heart. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to delete files from your OneDrive. Keeping your OneDrive organized isn't just about decluttering. It aids in finding files more swiftly and helps in managing your storage space more effectively. So, take a moment today to tidy up your cloud space. With a little effort, you'll be navigating a much more streamlined file system in no time.